Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to watch our video channel. Thank you so much. You're welcome. For those that are just joining us, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much. Here is the headline for today. She is the reason why Nigeria has not divided. AGF Malawi weeps over the death of Queen of England. So before we dive into the details of this news, please, if you're just joining us, please don't forget to like this video channel. And for those who have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this exciting news. Thank you even as you do so. Now into the details of the news. Queen Elizabeth has a direct link to the sustainability of Nigeria. And she's the reason why Nigeria is still united and not divided up till date. So the question everybody has been saying is, why did AGF Malami say that? Why did he utter that kind of a thing? Why? So I'll give you the reason now. Finally, AGF Malawi reveals the reason why Nigeria is still united and not divided. The death of Queen Elizabeth of England has created a hole in the hearts of Nigerians. He said, Nigeria is still united till today because of the consistent intervention and interference of the Queen of England, Elizabeth II. The Queen of England has been the one keeping IPOB and indigenous people of Biafra on hold. He said that her intervention has gone a long way in getting UN, that's the United Nations, European Union, and other international organizations that has wanted Nigeria to divide due to the little crisis we have been experiencing. AGF Malawi said that the Queen had made a positive impact on the growth and sustainability in Nigeria. He said all should understand this and get into our mourning. So, on Thursday, the Queen of England, Elizabeth II, went to join her ancestors, the way Nigerians will call it. So it's really very sad. Nigerians are mourning, people that know those, our forefathers, our fathers that are old, they knew how she has been helping Nigeria. So people have been, some people have been crying. People said, okay, it's not that bad. She's, they said she's 96 years old. So thank God she lived long and she used her years well on the seat. She has been a good queen, made good decisions for our country, Britain. So now, that is not even the main issue now. The main issue is AGF Malami came out and said she has been the one holding Nigeria up, that if not for her, Nigeria would have been divided. How true is this? How true? I don't know your opinion, but my opinion is, well. I don't really believe that. I don't really believe she has been the one holding Nigeria. But even if she's the one holding Nigeria, now that she's dead, what will happen? Will her son Charles continue this legacy? Will he still continue to uphold Nigeria? Because Nigeria was one of the, country under under Britain. Britain was our colonial masters then until we get our independence. So with what United Nations said, it was the duty of the European Union, to help the members of our colonies. So now will Charles take up this challenge? Take up keeping Nigeria, because Nigeria is on the point and everybody's going, everyone wants to leave. Can he still do this? Let's look at the comments of people towards what happened. It's really very sad. When I saw the news, I thought it was a joke. Nigerians can joke with everything. I thought it was a joke. I'm very serious. I thought it was a joke. But then when I saw it again, I was like, wow, are you serious? Wow. Okay. That's kind of, And they say that so she died on Thursday. From tomorrow, that's Saturday, they would swear in her son to become the next monarch. Okay, so look at the comments of people. Felicia Izepome, okay. Why will Nigeria mourn for her after she has put our country and many other countries of the world in captivity? So this is another angle that people are going into. How people mourn for this woman? People believe that, she was the head. She was holding us captive. They were coming into Nigeria, taking our resources over their place, produce Bonvita, produce different things and bring it back to us for us to buy. They really looted us, they looted us, they looted our everything. And up to today, they seem kind of have some say in our country, and we don't have a say in their own country. So this woman is saying that, no, why should we mourn for her? And still, they steal our oil, use the money to develop their country. Why she kept our country underdeveloped? She gave our country into the hands of the people she can manipulate easily. Okay. There was some years back that people said the Buhari is dead, that when he went for surgery, that maybe the Britain has, put somebody there and, clone him as Buhari. That the person there is no longer Buhari, that the person is just following directives from Britain. So this is what Felicia is saying. We don't know if it's true. We don't know. Okay. Francis Alugar said, she's dead now, so Nigeria is dead. Patricia said, when the Supreme God says yes, who can say no? No one. Yes, the call of, the death call. It can call on anybody any day. Well, our prayer is just that we should, live up to see at least our grandchildren. That's most people's prayer. It's only God that keeps someone, no matter the wealth and everything. And this woman has even tried on it. 96. I think that's fair now. Chimaobi said, Malami talking of peace in the midst of injustice and provocative utterances of Fulani against Igbo. There's a expiring date for everything. Africa and Nigeria must be free one day. Amen. No, must be free from these our colonial masters. Because after they still looted us, they are still holding us to us. Nigeria is among the European Union. So they still make some laws there that still kind of, still hold us to them. So Christy said, evil shall slay the wicked. All Biafra enemies will never live to see Biafra. Okay. Uche Monica said, she is the reason why Nigeria is still together. Now that she's dead, Nigeria can disintegrate. Okay. Jensita Akpara said, Queen has succeeded in making Nigeria not to be divided. Then what impact did she make to see that Nigeria is united? This one is deep. Fine and good. This person, Jensita Akpara said, she has made Nigeria not to be divided, right? Nigeria is not divided. But what impact did she make to see that Nigeria is united? This is really very deep. Thank you so much for that. Felicia said, the blood of all that died in Nigeria since the independence of Nigeria is on her head. She has to answer for it in the presence of the Lord. Okay. Felicia said, Felicia has spoken like 3 times now. Now that she's gone, Nigeria will breathe a sign of relief and rule their country without their apron tied on Elizabeth. Oh my goodness. Let's kind of respect the dead. Let's not, let's just pray that our soul rest in peace and, let's respect the dead, please. So what's your comment on this? What's your comment on what AGF Malami said? What's your take on this? Somebody said, fine and good, Nigeria was not divided. But what impact, what action did she take to make sure that Nigeria is united? These people, they claim to love us, but they loot us. They claim to love us, they claim to keep us together, but they loot our treasury, they loot us with our own stupid leaders that try to lead us. They make use of them as pawns. So what's your take in this? I don't know about what this man said, but I kind of don't believe. What's your take? Let me hear this in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video channel. For those who have not subscribed, please click on the red button, subscribe to get more of this news. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening. God bless.